We're on the ferry.
Let's do this. Let's review the ocean.
We're on the Bridgeport ferry from Connecticut to Long Island.
The ocean is kind of trained. People don't really like the ocean, but it's kind of like the ocean makes a little river.
Oh yeah.
And we made it kind of like a highway, and it's kind of
This is Ivy's first time as a older baby. Ivy,
A sentient human being.
do you like the ferry? Hi, sailor. Hi, sailor. Oh, look. That's where we came from. We came from over there. Let me get this straight, Ivy. You want to see the sunset in the screen more than the sunset right in front of you. That seems to be true. Trouble in River City.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, I see.
Oh, in a minute. Here comes the land. There's a buoy and a seagull. Ivy, let's go look to see where we're going. We're coming up to the port. Look, a boat. That's a tugboat, Ivy. A tugboat. There it goes. Bye, tugboat. A ferry.
Oh.
A ferry. Hello, ferry. That was a radio. Airplane. Can you see the airplane? Oh. Oh, right past the boat. That's the bell. The waves make it ring so the boats can see it. What do they say? Red, right on the return. Returning to port, the red buoy should be on your right. There's land over there. There's land over there.
How was it up there?
It's great up there.
It looks like daytime, but it's really nighttime.
It does look like daytime, but it's really nighttime.
Don't make sure that you not drop the phone.
All right, y'all, we're docking. Was that fun? Do you like being on the water? Did you want to review the ocean? No, the ocean's fine. We'll keep the ocean, right? We will keep the ocean.
We're gonna keep the whole ocean and the whole cars.
Okay.